This is how we wash our hands. Wash our hands, wash our hands. This is how we wash our hands to keep the germs away. Rub them front and rub them back. Rub them front, rub them back. Rub them front and rub them back. Scrub between your fingers. Add some soap and scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Add some soap and scrub, scrub, scrub. Let's rinse it all away. Rinse with water, nice and clean. Nice and clean, nice and clean. Rinse with water, nice and clean. Dry them with a towel. Now our hands are clean and bright. Clean and bright, clean and bright. Now our hands are clean and bright. Let's sing this song each day. Great job, friends! Your hands are clean! You did it!